It doesn't look like any church you've seen. And it might just remind you of a Marvel movie. Let's step inside the story of Hallgrímskirkja. From the vastness of the earth to a windswept island of fire and ice to the heart of Reykjavík, where a church rises like no other, Hallgrímskirkja is Iceland's most iconic landmark. At 74.5 meters, it's taller than Notre Dame. More than a tourist favorite, it acts as a compass and quiet guardian of the city. It's visible from almost anywhere in Reykjavík, especially when you're a little lost. Hallgrímskirkja. The name might trip you up. Kirkja means church in Icelandic. Bútakirkja is the church of Bútia. Akureyrarkirkja is the church of Akureyri. So now you can easily figure out that Hallgrímskirkja is the church of Hallgrímur. Hallgrímur was a 17th century poet and Lutheran priest. His passion hymns are still sung across Iceland every Easter. Carved above the doors is one of Hallgrímur's hymns, "Enter God's house," with your body and your heart in humble prayer. Though it's a Lutheran church, Hallgrímskirkja looks nothing like the modest wooden ones you'll find across the countryside. Architect Guðjón Samúelsson chose to reimagine what Icelandic design could be, a land shaped by fire and ice, by glaciers and volcanoes, and the one pattern carved into both, basalt columns. You'll see them at Svartifoss, stacked like stone towers in Vatnajökull National Park, and at Reynisfjara, where the Atlantic crashes into black cliffs shaped like organ pipes. From that raw, wild, and unmistakably Icelandic texture came Hallgrímskirkja. Construction began in 1945, just a year after Iceland became independent. The people of Reykjavík contributed more than half the cost through donations, fundraising, and quiet perseverance over decades. Hallgrímskirkja isn't just a church, it's a statement of independence, of identity, of what it means to rise together. Step inside, and everything softens. Light filters in through tall, plain windows, playing on clean surfaces. Even the benches echo basalt, carved in quiet symmetry. Now for the showstopper. A 25-ton, 5,275 pipe organ, Iceland's largest musical instrument. Built to fill this vault of light with hymns and prayers. Sometimes it's a full orchestra. Sometimes it's just the organ musician. And you. Take the lift up to the viewing deck and Reykjavík unfolds beneath you. Colorful, quiet, endless. The three largest bells, Hallgrímur, Gudridur, and Steinunn, are named after the poet, his wife, and daughter. Outside, another figure stands tall. Leif Erikson, the Norse explorer who reached America centuries before Columbus. His statue was a gift from the United States in 1930, commemorating 1,000 years of Iceland's parliament, the Althing at Þingvellir. From ancient explorers to ancient myths, this next part might surprise you. This is Asgard, the home of the gods, Thor, Loki, and Odin. The Bifrost, the shimmering bridge between realms, which looks a lot like Hallgrímskirkja, and the rainbow road that leads to it. From the right angle, it does look like a portal to another realm. Hallgrímskirkja is not just a church. It's Iceland, captured in stone, song, and sky. Thanks for walking through this story with me. Until the next one, happy wandering.